Stovetop candied yams are the best in my opinion. Today, I'm showing you guys how to make this delicious southern candied yams. They're sweet, sticky, and flavorful. Before I begin, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it for me, and also be sure to subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. To begin, I have 3 large yams here, as you guys can see. I'm going to peel them just like this. Well, normally I have a bag to put them in. That way I don't have to deal with the mess. So just put them in the bag as you peeling them. Can you tell the difference between sweet potatoes or yams? Let me know down below. How do you know which is which? So I'm just going to continue peeling these off. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what to do next. Now I'm just going to cut them about 1/4 of an inch thick, something like this, okay? Now I normally go in and just cut them again in half. That way they'll cook faster, just like this. Now this is what we have. As you can see, the size are almost the same. I'm going to give it a nice rinse to remove the starch now. I have my yams nice and clean. Let's make this syrup. To my medium high heat skillet, I'm going in with 1 stick of butter, 1.5 cups brown sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar. Give that a mix. Also, I'm going in with 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Allow that to melt. Next, for the spices, I'm using 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, ground ginger. Yes, that will make it so tasty. Don't skip on that. A little bit of salt, okay, to taste. And also 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give it a nice mix. A little bit of lemon zest for that zesty flavor. That in, and also about a teaspoon of lemon juice to balance the sugar. Now that it's nice and melted, go ahead and add your yams. Now, if you're doing this in the oven, you just have to pour that all over your yams and bake it. But lately, I've been falling in love with just doing it on the stove top. It's so much better for me. The yams came out super tender. Sometimes in the oven, when you do it, the top of the yams kind of looks dry and you have to go and mix it up. And this one, you just cover it, don't look back, don't open it, just allow it to get nice and tender. You'll see that delicious syrup. Yes, yes, yes. If you're feeling fancy, you can add a little bit of, you can add some whiskey to it and make it, you know, if you're feeling fancy. But for now, listen, this is the best way to make yams, I'm telling you. Now you just gotta cover it, allow it to get nice and tender. Don't look or nothing. Allow it to sit there for about an hour on medium low, okay? Our yams is nice and tender. Looks so ooey gooey. It has been simmering for about an hour, untouched, okay? Look at this syrup. Y'all see it? So ooey gooey, delicious. I'm going to transfer it now for you guys. I'm telling you, candied yams on the stovetop is the best. It's so tender. I have transferred the candied yams. Now I'm going to pour that beautiful syrup all over it. That looks so good, y'all. That looks absolutely delightful, okay? Listen, me and Candied Yams, we go together real bad because I can eat this all day, every day. I love it so much, okay? It's so good. I have no words. It's so bomb. Cheers. Make sure it's not hot because if you burn your mouth, trust me, you're gonna have a bad day, maybe a week. Okay, let's try it. Whew. Heaven. Heaven on earth. So good. The nutmeg, the ginger. It's sweet. Got a little bit of salt, like sweet and salty kind of. So good. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below what other recipes y'all want for Christmas, because I know a lot of you guys are cooking. And also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.